Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Wilken. I am the Career Education Coordinator for Ralston Public Schools. We created this presentation to welcome all of our students and families to Ralston High School, our incoming ninth grade students, and also to give you some more information about Ralston High School, courses and offerings here. And this is aligned directly to the presentation that we give to families during ninth grade orientation. And we realized that some of our families weren't able to make it there that night. And also, this is kind of just a continuous reference for those who were able to make it, as we know there's just so much information to be able to tackle. And so first things first, I just want to say welcome to Ralston High School. Welcome to Ralston Public Schools for some of our new families. And thank you. Thank you for choosing Ralston. It means the world to us, and that's a responsibility that we don't take lightly. We look forward to working with you over the next 4 years. We are invested in student success, and that is something that we fully stand by. This is the administrative team at Ralston High School, led by Mrs. Taverdi, our lead principal, Mr. Kilzer, Dr. Pavanka, Mr. Smith, and Mrs. Athau, our dean of students. Some folks that you'll also get to know really well over the next 4 years are 3 counselors, Mrs. Sedlock, Mr. Burling, and Mrs. Molly, as well as myself and my counterpart, Mrs. Carlo, our RHS Career Center coordinator. We work together to be able to schedule site visits, job shadows, career guest speakers, college representatives, and the list goes on. Our graduates earned support for college. The 2020 class of Ralston High School earned $6.3 million in college scholarships. This is something that we are incredibly proud of. We fully celebrate the work that our students are doing, and our staff are working diligently to be able to support them and prepare them for these opportunities. And this is something that we're always trying to outdo. We're always trying to improve, because we know the more scholarship dollars we get for our kids, the more opportunities they're likely to have. Today, we're going to talk about Blueprint. What is Blueprint? It is the brand that we've given to our career education model here in Ralston Public Schools, and the bulk of that work is happening here at Ralston High School. Today, we're going to talk about some courses within Blueprint, as well as student organizations and other opportunities that students can take part in. Some of the terms that you're going to get to know pretty well over the next 4 years are the ones that you see on this sheet. A career field is a very large area. There's 6 different career areas within the Nebraska career education model. The one that we're going to be talking about the most today is skilled and technical sciences, we're going to be talking about health sciences today and some of the offerings that we've got here at Ralston High School. Career cluster, this is a smaller, more defined group of careers within that field. And our programs of study, we offer 16 different programs of study here at Ralston High School, which is a sequence of 3 or more Blueprint classes that are all aligned around the same career focus. And our academies, we have 4 different academies here at Ralston High School. We have a medical academy, culinary, automotive, and future teachers. We also have a partnership with Metro Community College, which offers more than 25 different career academies that students can take part in. This is a model of the Nebraska Career Education Wheel, and it shows all 6 of those career fields that we discussed and some of the career clusters that exist within them. Today, we're going to be talking about health sciences. How your student identified their career field of interest. Here at Ralston High School, we have career-focused homerooms, and students will be with the same homeroom class, group of students, and same homeroom teacher all 4 years. And these homerooms are centered around the same career focus. This allows students to be able to explore their career in more depth and to develop friendships and connections, not only with their classmates, but also with their homeroom teacher, who can get to know them over 4 years and help them to meet their goals according to their career interests. These goals were defined and identified through a career interest survey. Students at Ralston Middle School during their 8th grade year take a career interest survey based on different items that they're asked to respond to regarding their interests, their perceived strengths, and that gives them feedback on different career fields that might be good for them to consider. We try as diligently as we can to give students their number 1 career choice based on that feedback when we're assigning homerooms. This is also given with input from conversations with Ralston Middle School teachers, namely advisement teachers and career explorations teachers who help support our students with this process and give them some guidance on career interest areas. During ninth grade orientation, you're given a packet of information with resources that help students to identify goals and then plan by working backward. We encourage our students to think with the end in mind. What is it that you want to accomplish during your time here at Ralston High School? What is it that you hope to achieve after you leave Ralston High School? And making sure that we're helping you to identify classes, extracurriculars that are going to help you to meet those goals. One of the resources that you have available to you is the Career Capstone template. We have built these for all 16 of our programs of study, our career academies, as well as our partnerships with Metro Community College. And so over 25 different templates there as well. This, as an example, is a 4-year plan for engineering systems. If students know that they are interested in engineering systems and that's the direction they want to go, we have built templates for classes that we recommend you take from grades 9 through 12 in order to prepare yourself and be eligible for those experiences. These templates were built by our counselors, teachers, administrators, and those folks who know these classes really well, as well as graduation requirements to better prepare our students. The ninth grade homeroom teachers, so incoming ninth graders, you will have one of these folks as your homeroom teacher. They will be reaching out to you shortly to set up ILP meetings, and they will be supporting you all 4 years of your time at Ralston High School. Opportunities at RHS. We have capstone opportunities within our programs of study. This is the highest level of career education coursework that a student can take. But we also know that in order to be prepared for this, they have to take introductory and intermediate level courses to serve as that foundation of knowledge. And it also allows students to be able to explore those classes and see if that's going to be a good fit for them, because we know that students can absolutely explore something and change their mind, and that's okay. We want that opportunity for our kids. We have complementary core content area classes as well, classes that students have to take as graduation requirements, but also are closely aligned to the work that we're doing in Blueprint. We have elective courses in career and technical education, and we also, as we discussed earlier, have different programs of study, 16 programs that are available right here at Ralston High. The Ralston High School Academies, as we discussed earlier, are available to students during their junior and senior year. Students can begin applying for these as early as their sophomore year. We also have a partnership with Metro Community College. Students will apply for this as well. It's not a direct acceptance. Students do have to apply and be eligible for these academies. With MCC, students are able to receive high school and Metro Community College credit. MCC tuition for students while they're still at Ralston High is 50% of the cost that it would be after they graduate. So this is something that we definitely encourage students to take part in while they're still at Ralston High School. It's a tremendous financial benefit as well as post-secondary benefit for our students. And then again, our capstone courses, these are the classes that students can take at the culmination of each one of those programs of study. Opportunities at RHS. We have a Ralston High School Medical Academy, and this is just an outstanding program. Students can get CNA and CPR first aid certification. We also have a partnership with Papillion Manor, where students do some service learning, as well as Creighton Health, where students can do 22 weekly rotations in different areas of medicine to see if that's going to be a good fit for them and allow them to explore and research different areas. We have programs in study in lifespan performance, health sciences, and therapeutic certificated services. So many different areas of health sciences and the medical field that students can pursue while they're still in here at Ralston High School. We also have a program called the UNMC Alliance. This is for students who know that they want to pursue their MD, or they want to become doctors after they graduate from high school and go on to their post-secondary work. This is a partnership where classes are actually at the University of Nebraska Medical Center. These are very rigorous classes designed to be college level and to challenge those students and prepare them. HOSA is our student organization for health occupations. For students who want to go into the medical field, those that are participating in our Med Academy are all members of HOSA, and it's a great opportunity for students to be able to not only collaborate with like-minded students at Ralston High School, but also to compete against other schools at both the state and even potentially the national level. We're going to watch a quick video on HOSA here in just a minute, but I do want to point out our club sponsor at Ralston High School is Miss Turner. Mrs. Turner's email address is ashley.turner@ralstonschools.org. If you are interested in learning more about HOSA, definitely reach out to Mrs. Turner and she can help you get started. We are going to watch just a quick video.
I want to be a physical therapist.
I want to be a registered nurse.
I want to be a dental assistant.
I want to be an orthopedic surgeon.
And I'm already steps ahead because I'm getting extra training and development.
And opportunities that I need through HOSA.
HOSA Future Health Professionals prepares students like me,
students like me,
just like me,
for college, entry-level certification, and possibly a job right after graduating high school.
Every day, I'm getting closer to achieving my goals toward higher education or my career because HOSA helps me develop leadership skills
and make a difference through community service.
improve my critical thinking and problem solving.
Learn and appreciate the value of teamwork,
network, and meet new people.
HOSA keeps me engaged through fun conferences and competitive events that challenge me to apply what I've learned in the classroom.
Increase my enthusiasm for my health career,
and boost my potential as a future health professional.
I get valuable support through my HOSA advisor to make sure I stay on track
and keep my end goal in sight.
Most importantly, HOSA gives me the opportunity to enhance my health science education so I can be the best orthopedic surgeon,
registered nurse, the best dental assistant,
The best physical therapist.
to deliver compassionate, quality health service in our communities.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Are you ready to secure your future?
Enroll in health or biomedical science today.
And take advantage of HOSA as you plan your path as a future health professional.
Another organization that I want to bring to everybody's attention is Skills USA. Although most of our students who here at Ralston High School, if they go through Med Academy, they're going to be participating in HOSA. Another opportunity to be able to compete is through Skills USA. And students can do more than one CTSO, Career and Technical Student Organization. Skills USA is a tremendous organization where students can compete in over 100 different areas, including the health sciences. Namely, they have one competition area and certified nurses assistant. And so if students want to be a part of both student organizations, they absolutely can. Our club sponsor at Ralston High School is Mr. Ben Batley, ben.batley@ralstonschools.org. Another organization that I want to bring to everybody's attention is Omaha Exploring. Omaha Exploring allows students, all through their high school years to be able to job shadow and complete hands-on activities through different experiences, depending on their career choice. Omaha Fire Department, Police Department, there's aviation, medical sciences, pharmacy, many others that if students want to learn more about these, they complete 1 to 3 day in-person sessions. There is a cost to this. It's about $30 for students to do each one of the areas. And again, it's totally up to you. This is something that's completely optional, but a great experience for our students. Those who have gone through it that have come back and talked to me about it said it was absolutely worth the cost and worth the investment in time, and they gained some valuable experience. And so we're going to watch a quick video about Omaha Exploring, and then we'll move on to our next topic.
I'm tapping into my potential.
I'm discovering who I am.
I'm seizing the day.
And making the most out of the opportunities in front of me.
I'm unleashing my best work.
I'm igniting my passions,
Finding out how to do what I love to do.
In ways I've never known before.
And learning from those who've been here before and got there before.
I'm exploring my future.
I am an explorer. I am an explorer.
I'm an explorer.
When I'm exploring, here's what I'm not.
I'm not a student.
I'm not at work.
I'm not an intern.
Nope. I'm not a pencil pusher.
Not a procrastinator.
I'm not cramming for an exam.
And I'm definitely not in detention.
When I'm exploring,
I'm home.
I'm with friends.
I'm in my happy place. I'm in the zone.
Sure, I study hard and take my education seriously.
But I feel like exploring prepares me for my future in a different way.
I mean, where else can I get this kind of experience to learn about the things that I'm passionate about?
Where can I find great mentors?
I work in the career fields I'm interested in.
Where can I be me?
I learn by doing.
I belong by exploring.
Exploring. Discover your future.
All right, the next topic we're going to discuss are the four-year template guides. And again, as you saw the example earlier in the presentation of the engineering systems template guide, we have these with different capstones in mind, and we're also going to talk about the general college-bound course selection template. This is where you start to map out the next 4 years of what you want your high school experience to look like, the type of classes that you want to be a part of, the things that you want to study based on your post-secondary goals, regardless of what those are. The 4-year general college-bound rigorous course selection, this is a guide for our students that we've made. And again, these were all put together by counselors, administrators, teachers, for students. In this case, for students who know they want to go to a 4-year school, they want to get a 4-year degree after they finish at Ralston High School. Maybe they don't know what they want to study yet, but if a 4-year degree is in your future, this is a list of recommended classes that you can take that will help prepare you. These are very rigorous classes, but are designed to help prepare our students for that next step. We also have Academy Capstone templates, and these are pre-made as well with that specific career focus or academy focus in mind. So if you know that you want to go through our automotive academy or construction program of study, we have templates that are designed to tell you which classes you should be taking to be eligible for those experiences. The ILP meeting, as we discussed, your homeroom teacher is going to be reaching out to you via email, so be sure to check your email with instructions on how to sign up for the ILP meeting on February 10th or February 11th. These will take place through Zoom this year. Typically they're in person, but this year they'll be through Zoom. Before you sign up for these, before you meet with your homeroom teacher, please have your 4-year plan filled out. Let them know what classes you would like to take or what you're interested in. And this could include any of the templates that you've selected as your goal for the meeting. RPS website, social media, please visit our Ralston Public Schools website. If you haven't been there before, there is a wealth of good information on here. It's www.ralstonschools.org. You can specify which school you want to look at. You can go directly to Ralston High School, see current events that are happening at RHS, need to know information for our students and families. You can also access our kids from the website. Follow us on Twitter. If you go to www.twitter.com, we have a handle for Ralston High School at RalstonHS, as well as Blueprint at RPS_Blueprint. And please like us on Facebook. Ralston High School, if you go to facebook.com and put in the search bar Ralston High School, we will be one of the first searches that comes up. Be sure to like us and follow us on Facebook. Last but not least, thank you again for choosing Ralston Public Schools. We look forward to working with you over the next 4 years. We are here to support you. We want to see you succeed and get all of your goals met. And if there is anything that we can do to support you, please let us know. There's contact information for Mrs. Taverdi, the head principal, myself, as well as Mrs. Sedlock, our lead counselor up here at Ralston High School. Thank you all for your support, students. Good luck to you. Enjoy the next 4 years at Ralston High.